Hello, welcome to geometry. You've already taken this pre-assessment quiz, so we're going to go over it. It says, please choose the words that describe geometric transformations. Rotation should be the first one that you marked. Reflection and translation. Now the matching section of the quiz, these are the answers for it. These two are reflections. Whoops, I accidentally clicked incorrectly. So these two are reflections. This one is a rotation, and this one is a translation. These are things that you may have learned in other classes, but we're going to go over them in more detail here. So transformations are rigid motions. And I put a little transformer here. You're welcome. So changing a shape using a translation, a reflection, or a rotation is a transformation. A translation moves like it's sliding. It's moving a shape without rotating it or flipping it. So you go up and over. The shape still looks the same, it's just in a different place. So now we're going to open up GeoGebra, and I'm going to have you guys watch me. Given a triangle, perform a translation. So when you open up GeoGebra, excuse me, it shows it it doesn't have a triangle yet, so you're going to have to make a triangle. And then you come down to transform, and we're going to translate by a vector. So we're going to translate this by a vector. So I'm going to click my vector here, and I'm going to translate it clear over this way. Whoops, it's going the opposite way that I would want it. All right. So I can go ahead and come up here to my move tool, and I can move this vector anywhere that I want. Oh, it's not doing the triangle. Oh, I know what I did. Okay. So when you pull up GeoGebra, it won't have a triangle yet, so you'll have to go ahead and make a triangle. I just did 3 line segments and connected them myself. So then we scroll down here to translate, or right here it says transform. And then we're going to come over here to translate by a vector. So before I click on that, I'm going to select, whoops, I'm going to select objects, and I'm going to select my triangle. And then I'm going to say translate by vector. And then I'm going to make my vector. And there it translated it. Now I can come back up here to move, and I can move my vector anywhere I want. I can even go like this, and it will shift it down. Or I can come over here like this, and it will shift it down from the original spot. Notice what happens when I put it right on top of it. It doesn't translate at all, huh? So if I put it right there, there you go.